Abusiafo SOMPA 106.5 FM. Yanye suwana na say e market ya pa. Na ende ABOTCHIE'S voice. Baby up me di farane de no ada. Eye mi ankasa be papa Nigel Gazy. Ne papa 1 week eyi yo na ase. Wa bra. Eye mama Pat. Dodo na friend Agradaa who Sammy Gyamfi a wodi enigye ene ha ho sepe e de approach ran dollars bi ko pie mu. Now my take is this. Sadie na Sammy Gyamfi ye no enkaye. Sadie na Sammy Gyamfi ye no enkaye. Because ye nyina ye wo Ghana ha and I'm paying for Free Bank of Ghana. I be catch and say, you try as much as possible not to dollarize the economy. Say the pa oh now go to a dear po our bontinga and ni kwan say the dollar e go to a dear wa bonting. Because it's clearly it is against our laws. And carrying dollars on you, it's also a big problem. Because dollar need the overseas, you were designated places. It was so cool. Ubenya dollars na to. Go banks na ubenya biato. Go forex bureaus na ubenya biato. Uko dollar no wo na wudi bedi dwa. Enye Ghana ha e na obetena. Edi dollar ni edi dwa Ghana ha. No. It is against our laws. But unfortunately in this country, here we are, there are certain hotels I all Ghana ha kwa omudi dollar. There are big hotels in Ghana here. They quote the prices in dollars. But we are asking, say you're paying for one more Ghana hano and you piano. Haven't they seen those acts? I am asking, haven't they seen those acts? Because anya mani nyina na edo to the bia e ma ye sidi no ahoden no e ba fom. Ti de Sammy Gyamfi ye no, he should have known better. He should have known better. He should have known better. Ube you ase. Then you carry dollars in your car. What is supposed to mean, say? A year crab uba yeno, unsabodi na boy yeno, ubon or dollars mwana. These are questions, and I'm the ordinary Ghanaian team. They are questions, valid questions. So Sammy Gyamfi encheye. But I am happy because the chief of staff has taken an action to that effect. What one friend or yakase ya someone no before the office of the chief of staff to come and explain why. And no a course. I remember during the previous government, in SMBC action is not taken. I'll say it without fear or without favor. But with this particular one, I want to commend the presidency of John Dramani Mahama for taking that action. We remember years back, Vicky Mahama, who say okoka say only there abemu obado onya $1 million per obeko. Then a President Mahama then at the year no. Opamoni fina abemu. So is that same going to happen to Sammy Gyamfi? Where you who say only there was $1 a good care.
body na mama na ye. Family na mama. Na mama. Honorable.
Honorable.
Sammy Gyamfi. Who say woman?
Monday. Mommy, how are